So just choosing to come into a seated position, if that feels right. Perhaps letting the eyes close gently. And just starting to feel the body sitting in the seat. So perhaps a sense of the bottom touching the chair. And feeling the feet on the floor. And really feeling into those senses as we allow the mind to just settle. And remembering that it doesn't matter if you think, that thoughts are welcome. We just don't get caught up in them. So we can just acknowledge thoughts coming and going. Perhaps giving them a label, such as planning or worrying, before coming back again into the body, either to the sense of the feet on the floor, or back to a sense of the breath moving in the body. And as you're just sitting there, allowing the body just to come to a still, quiet place. Perhaps just checking in to see how the body is, noticing if the forehead is relaxed or tight. Perhaps the jaw can just be a little softer. Perhaps allowing the shoulder blades just to relax and melt back. So we're sitting in an upright position, dignified, but we're just allowing any tension, any holding in the body that's not necessary, just to melt away. Noticing how the belly is. Perhaps just breathing in and breathing out, just feeling that breath deep down. Noticing how the hips are. Perhaps letting those do less. Down through legs, ankles, and the feet. And I invite you not to consider this to be a meditation, but more of just a sit. Just sitting here. No agenda. No trying to get relaxed or calm. So just turning towards whatever comes up with an open awareness. So we can breathe in deep, breathe out. And we can allow that to be our focus. But when we notice a sound, we can just acknowledge that. Ah, yes, sounds. I'm just sitting here, noticing my breath, and I'm just going to return back to that. In another moment, you may become aware of thinking. Perfectly normal. So there's no need to push it away or feel frustrated. We just notice thinking. And perhaps just notice the flavour of that thinking. The judging the present moment or wanting it to be different in some way. Perhaps you want thoughts to disappear. So just notice that. Perhaps you want some discomfort in your body to not be here right now. Again, you can just notice that. And perhaps on the next breath, breathing in deeply, and imagine sending that breath into the area of discomfort, giving it some space. And in these last few moments, just allowing thought, allowing body sensations, allowing sounds just to come and go. And now just ending here, just becoming aware of that quiet space between the thoughts. So really allowing awareness to be folded back on itself. So becoming aware of the awareness that tells you that there are thoughts and body sensations, emotions, sounds. And then little by little starting to bring some movement to the body, wiggling the fingers and the toes, staying with the body though, noticing if the mind is racing on to the next thing, and choosing to come back into the body. And as you open your eyes, seeing if you can stay with that level of awareness as you move into the rest of your day, noticing your feet on the floor, and from time to time during the day just dropping back in and noticing how you are. And perhaps choosing to take a deep conscious breath, bringing you back to the present moment.